Okay, now we're making the 5-foot section. The blue parts are the sides, and that's the top and bottom. Raul, can you put this on in front? Oh, good. Yeah, I wanna put it on the video so they know how to put it on. The corner piece. Yeah, that's going here, right? Is there a wrong way to do it? Like, can they do it the wrong way by mistake, or there's only one way?
Both ways will work.
Both ways will work.
Yes. You put it.
That's in.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then you have to tighten it.
Yes, that'll be
With the bar.
with the bar once you screw.
Oh, once you put the bar in, got
You
it.
can tie it in right here. You get you.
I can tie here. I can tie this up.
So it'll be this right here.
Tie it.
And it shouldn't come down.
Now it's locked in.
Yes.
Okay. So it's better to lock it in first, right? And then okay. Now it's locked in. So one of these is the top, one is the bottom, and remember the blue is the side. Put them next to each other. They lock in. Can you take it back out and put it in again, please? How do they connect it? Yeah.
So it has to be straight like an L,
Okay.
and it will be hard to go in. Once you do that, you'll find it.
Okay, you just tap it in. Okay. So there's 2 screws. You lock it in. And then you do the same thing on the other side. Sorry, working. Hold it straight.
Okay.
The parts go inside. That goes in simply like that.
Ese está apretado. El otro. Este.
Sí, está abajo.
Esta. Okay.
It's locked in.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's simple. Let's put that up after we put it up. I'll explain why. Okay, now you have the 5-foot section. Oh, put the corner pieces in. It snaps right in, just like that. Turn it in. Locks in. So everything is pre-assembled. It kind of like locks in.
That's really good. Great.
Well, they're like already in that box. Okay, so set it up, and now you have to connect the 8-foot section and the 5-foot section. See, this was the 8-foot section you already assembled a few minutes ago. Now there's the 5-foot section, and you want to make sure that the pointy part is inside, not outside. So you just kind of hold it together. You need a step stool or a ladder to do this. Do you need a ladder? Will that be easier? It'll be a little easier when you have a little bit more space. It went in?
Yes.
Okay, so now it's locked in. And then you're going to do the same thing in the bottom.
Mira, asegura primero de arriba y después el...
So would like a mallet or something be helpful in this?
Para acá, para afuera.
¿Qué
Un
hago?
poquitito para aquí.
There you go. So it kind of just goes in really smoothly. There's no forcing it. And then you have to put in the screws. You could use a screw gun. Don't over tighten it. It just goes in. If it doesn't go in, that means the screw's not aligned. You're not making the hole. It goes in like that. And then you do the same for the top. You gotta make sure you wanna have like small ladders. Maybe this might not be tall enough. Okay. Are there the taller ones?
Yeah.
Because he's pretty tall, so you want to make sure like there's a 3-step one. All right, and that's done.
There's one more in the middle here.
Oh yeah, okay. Just kidding. One more part.
It's missing the
Yeah. So that one we're going to do last. Joaquin, let's put in the side. Okay, now this is important here. When you insert the 2 parts, Alina, I don't know if you remember, the part, this part with the shape goes on the inside, and the flat part is on the outside. So let's put in, huh?
Yes.
Desconecta el de arriba.
It has it right here with a pencil. Has it right there.
Vertical.
inside, outside.
Inside and
Perfect.
outside.
Perfect.
Does it make a difference if they have to put the outer inside first?
No.
Okay, it doesn't matter. Okay, so you had to put in the part before you connected it.
Nomás levántalo poquito, ¿sí?
Está duro.
Así es que aflojar este. Que aflojar este.
Same thing on the bottom?
Yeah, this is
Okay,
already.
so our, is that in?
Yeah.
Okay, so our apology, before you connect it, you want to insert the vertical parts. We're just loosening it so while we work on it. So what are they lining up here?
With
Oh.
the screw?
Oh, so it goes inside from the top. All right. Can you take it out and do that one more time, Raul? So the part goes inside the, yeah, go ahead and do it. And it drops right in where the hole matches up. That's the inside part.
Put the lock.
And remember the inside part has a lip on it. And then you do the outside part. That's the bottom. You put it in. And on the top, same thing. You hold it and you drop it inside.
So this could be better doing it laying down.
Yeah, we should have done that, yeah. So it could have been assembled on the 5 foot or the 8 foot part.
Que voltear este.
Así. Y ya.
So this should be done while it's laying down, right?
Yes.
Okay. So our apologies for putting it up. The verticals should be put in when it's laying down.
¿Aprietas esto o los dos? Así te tornillas, sí.
And then it locks in. But it could be done like this, but it's better to do it laying down. And now see if you notice all the holes are lined up, everything is lined up.